Na-starstruck daw ang mga two-way player ng Lakers nang ma-meet si LeBron sa unang pagkakataon, pero bago yan, Austin Reeves trinash talk ng isang Lithuanian player. Tuluyan na nga pong nadungisan ng record ng Team USA ngayong FIBA World Cup matapos sa matalo kahapon sa national team ng Lithuania sa skora 110 to 104. Hindi nga po naging maganda ang laro ni Austin Reeves matapos sa magtala lang ito ng 7 points, shooting 104 sa field at na-fouled out pa sa laro. Sa 5 games nang nilaro ng Team USA, ito na nga po ang pinaka-worst game ng nasabing Lakers guard. At sa isang play, na-trash talk pa nga po si Reeves ni Vaidas Karniaskus matapos na atakihin nito ang depensa ni Austin. Dinilaan nga po ng Lithuanian player si Reeves matapos sa maipasok ang kanyang tira. At after ng game, sinabi nga po ni Karniaskus na hindi personal ang ginawa niya kay Reeves, kundi pagmamahal lang daw ito sa laro. Ayon pa dito, nakalaro niya ang kapatid ni Reeves last year. At bago daw magsimula ang laro nila sa Team USA, sinabi daw nito, ni-trash talk daw nito si Austin Reeves. Kaya ginawa niya daw ito, natatawang sinabi ni Karniaskus.
Nothing personal, just love for the game, and I played with his brother last year, so I talked with him before the game. He said, give him a trash talk, so I give him time.
Para magkaharap nga po ulit ang Team USA at Lithuania, kailangan umabot ang dalawang team sa finals dahil magkaiba sila ng bracket. Sino sa tingin nyo magkakampyon sa FIBA World Cup mga brother? Samantala mga two-way player ng Lakers na starstruck nang ma-meet sa unang pagkakataon si LeBron James. Kumuha nga po ng 3 two-way player ang Lakers ngayong off-season at ito'y sina Dimoy Hodge, Colin Castleton at Alex Pudge na maganda ang ipinakita noong NBA Summer League. At ngayon for the first time nga po na-meet ng mga two-way player ng Lakers si LBJ sa Lakers facility. At na-starstruck ang mga nasabing player na makakausap ang all-time scoring leader.
I met LeBron today and yeah,
I met LeBron for the first time today. It was pretty cool.
Well, I did meet him today. I met LeBron today.
it was crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I froze up.
Kind of just walked in, didn't know he was gonna be here.
Yeah, I just froze up. I shook his hand and he was like, Bron, and I'm just like,
yeah, you mean he came to me like, I'm Bron. I'm like, you know, I mean, I know you, Bron.
I know you're Bron. I should be like the one telling you Alex, but it was just so crazy. It happened so fast. I'm just, yeah, I just froze.
He was working out and then said what's up. So
one of the greatest guys I've looked up to.